Hello guys, and welcome to this new Power BI tutorial. In this video, I'm going to create this dashboard which is about US logistics shipments. As you can see, I'm going to create different charts. So we have 5 KPIs. We have 2 donut charts, 1 horizontal bar chart, and 2 vertical charts. For the dataset, you can download it directly on Kaggle through this link, and also you can find the link to download it directly from my GitHub repository. Initially, the dataset contains 2000 total shipments, but I removed some null values. So as you can see here, we have a dataset with 1928 total shipments. So to create exactly the same dashboard, we're going to import our data. So you can click on Get Data, and it is text CSV, right? So once you imported your data, you can see in here all the columns, right? So we have the carrier, we have the cost, delivery date, the destination, distance in miles, the origin warehouse, shipment ID date, shipment ID, status, transit days, and weight in kilograms. So you can see the data set like that, right? So in our case, I will just click new page and we are going to create exactly the same dashboard, right? So we are going to start with KPIs. So click cart and shipment ID as count distinct, right? So we're going to format that. So we need just to copy paste. All right. So the name, rename, it will be total shipments, and we're going to add the border, right, in black. We put it as 20. Okay, so you can just decrease a little bit like that. Copy paste, so 4 times because we have 5 in total, right? Put them like this. Okay, so we need to select all of them, right? And on format, align, so distribute horizontally, right? And same thing, we can also line top, right? So the next one will be the average cost, right? So we have here cost as the average. So same thing, we rename it average cost, right? Next we have the average weight. So put it as average weight. So rename average weight in kg. Next we have the average transit dates, right? First we select the average, rename, and last one, it would be the average distance in miles. All right, so as you can see, we have 4 dates, which is the average transit dates for each shipment. We have more than 1280 miles per shipment average. The average weight per shipment is around 30 kg. The average cost is $205 on average, and we have total shipments of 4,928 in total, right? Next, we are going to create also horizontal bar chart, right? Put it in the center, and it will be the destination, right, by total shipments. All right, so I'll just put it like that. Same thing, we're going to format that, all right? So put it in the center. All right. Now we said we add the border. Now for the visual x-axis, we remove the values and the title. For the y-axis, we remove the title and the values, they will be like bold. Alright, now we add the labels, so the bars will be black, and also we are going to add the, so close this one, close, we add the labels, same thing, they will be in black. Alright, now same thing for the title, so we have total shipments by destination, be in center black. Alright, so as you can see, we have Chicago in the first position, Phoenix, Portland, etc. So copy paste this one. So it will be vertical bar chart, right? Remove destination. So we have the average cost by carrier, right? Okay, so here we have different shipments. So we rename it. We have the title. So we have average cost by, okay. Okay, put it like capital. Alright. Next we have copy paste, put it in here. Okay, so this one, it will be the average shipment distance, right? So have average, right? Title to be average distance. All right. So for the values, if we go back to labels, have the values and decimal places 0, right? So here we can see the average distance, right? Copy paste this one. Decrease this a bit. Okay, for this one. So this, it will be donut chart. So remove everything. We select donut chart, right? And it will be the status and also the total shipments, right? So we have delivered, delayed, in transit, lost, or returned. Now for the, I'm going to format that. For the labels, put the category and percentage of total, right? The slices, we are going to define the colors. So for delivered, put it in black, right? Delayed, same thing, we decrease a little bit. In transit, and we have lost, and finally we have returned. All right, so you can also remove the legend, slices, remove it, right? Change the title, so it will be total shipments by status. All right, and the last one, it will be, put it in here like that. Okay, we have total shipments, but instead of status, we're going to put the carrier here. All right, same thing, we need to change the color. So for the slices series, FedEx, put it back, decrease the intensity, right? Or maybe previous one should be ship. Okay, track. All right, then we have USPS. Okay, DHL. We have Amazon Logistics, and finally we have, yes, you can put it like that in white, right? So if we close, if we compare the two, we have exactly the same dashboard. And also it is interactive, so if we select only FedEx, we can see the total shipments by destination. As you can see, the first one is Denver, right? For example, DHL, same thing. First position is not the same. As we have Chicago in here, we have the average cost, right? We have the average transit dates, average distance in miles, average cost, total shipments. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.